Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wood sealant is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of creating a safe and hygienic kitchen or dining environment. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect food-safe sealant for your wooden cutting boards, countertops, bowls, and other food contact surfaces, ensuring both the safety of your family and the longevity of your beautiful wooden pieces. We will explore various types of sealants, their application methods, and crucial factors to consider before making your purchase, helping you make an informed decision that protects your health and enhances your culinary experience. Number 5. 13 Chef's Mineral Oil. It's lab tested to meet food safety standards, ensuring it's safe for your kitchen. Plus, it's colorless, odorless, tasteless, and gluten-free. This mineral oil protects your cutting boards, countertops, and butcher blocks from cracking and drying. It even revitalizes your knives and kitchen appliances. With its easy squeeze bottle and push applicator cap, applying it is a breeze. Just apply generously and let it sit for 4 hours. One bottle provides years of use. A small amount every 3 months keeps your cutting board in top condition. It's 100% pure and undergoes regular safety testing. It's bottled in FDA-compliant facilities right here in the United States. Give your kitchen surfaces a renewed look and lasting protection with this simple treatment. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your wooden cutting boards and more. What we like? It's lab tested for food safety and incredibly easy to apply thanks to its convenient bottle design. One bottle lasts for years, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and economical solution for maintaining your wood cutting boards, this is it. What people say. This oil worked great and the instructions on the back of the bottle were perfect. I bought the oil for a new, very large, cutting board and followed the instructions that recommended putting the board in a clean garbage bag, massaging in the oil, and letting it sit for 24 hours. Worked perfectly. How it did on the bamboo cup really brought out the grains and the color of the bamboo itself really well. It made pop. The only thing I can say is it is awesome, like it said on the bottle, colorless, odorless, tasteless, gluten-free food-grade mineral oil that maintains, protects, and restores. This brought them back to life instantly. It was very easy to apply and worked just as described. I waited about 24 hours after applying to use the utensils again and it didn't change any taste or leave a residue in the food at all. 100% recommend. Number 4. Booze Block Oil. Give your wooden cutting boards the love they deserve. This oil will keep them looking and performing their best for years to come. It's specially formulated to prevent dryness, splitting, and cracking. Say goodbye to damaged wood surfaces. It's made with natural white mineral oil and beeswax, so it's perfectly safe for food preparation. You can trust it in your kitchen. Simply apply a thin coat once a month, let it soak in overnight, and you're done. It's that easy. For even better results, use it with Booze Block Board Cream. Together, they provide the ultimate protection. John Booz has been crafting high-quality kitchen products since 1887. You're getting the best. What we like? Made with a blend of natural mineral oil and beeswax, it's safe for food contact and provides superior protection against drying and cracking. It comes from a trusted brand with a long history of quality craftsmanship. If you value quality and heritage, and want the best for your wooden surfaces, this is the choice for you. What people say. Following an expert chef's advice, I actually treated my blocks with the mystery oil night after night at first, instead of just treating them once a month. Plus I used it on a few other wooden boards and serving trays in my kitchen. Man, this oil will make the cheapest serving tray look like a piece of art. Plus it's easy to apply, as well as the beeswax. The result is amazing. The wood is revitalized, smooth and clearly conditioned. Knife marks are no longer pronounced or visible. It worked great and really soaked in well. Your board will be darker and look beautiful. Number 3. Clark's Cutting Board Oil. It penetrates deep into the grain of your butcher blocks, cutting boards, and more, nourishing the wood from within. This ensures lasting protection and beauty for your wooden surfaces. Regular use helps prevent your wood from drying out, splitting, or cracking. Keep your cutting boards and other wood items in top condition for years to come. It has a pleasant, natural scent from the lemon and orange oils, leaving your wood smelling fresh and clean without being overpowering. Enjoy the subtle citrus aroma. See the incredible transformation yourself. Many customers share their stunning before and after photos. You'll be amazed by the difference it makes. It makes a thoughtful and practical gift for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Surprise your loved ones with this essential tool for maintaining their beautiful wooden kitchenware. This oil restores and protects all types of wood, from butcher blocks to cutting boards and beyond. It's your go-to solution for keeping your wooden surfaces looking their best. What we like. It penetrates deeply into the wood grain, leaving a delightful fresh scent behind. It effectively prevents drying and cracking, keeping your cutting boards in top condition. If you appreciate a pleasant aroma during cleaning and want to keep your wood surfaces looking their best, this is perfect for you. What people say. Applies easily, smells wonderful and restored my wood surface to a like-new finish. This one is by far the simplest to use, smells the best, I like very light residual smell, and leaves the board with the least residual oil of the ones I use. One of the standout features of Clark's cutting board oil is its deep penetration into the wood grain. I've used it on a variety of surfaces, including butcher blocks, cutting boards, bamboo cutting boards, salad bowls, wood utensils, and even wood countertops. Regardless of the application, this oil works its way deep into the wood, enriching and rejuvenating it from the inside out. Number 2. WALRUS Oil Wood Wax. It's here, the all-new WALRUS Oil Wood Wax. This food-safe wax will protect and beautify your wooden surfaces. It's FDA compliant, so you can use it on cutting boards and other food preparation surfaces with complete confidence. It's safe for your family. It nourishes and protects wood, leaving it looking its best. Say goodbye to dry, cracked wood. Application is a breeze. Just apply a thin coat and buff to a shine. It's that simple. It's made right here in the USA with high-quality ingredients. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. WALRUS Oil Wood Wax is perfect for cutting boards, butcher blocks, and more. Get yours today. What we like. It's FDA compliant and made in the USA, ensuring the highest safety standards. It provides a protective layer to your cutting boards. If food safety and American-made products are your priorities, this is the one for you. What people say. Results are the same and the board is gorgeous, quality product with great results. I put a little of this on my bamboo and wood knitting needles after every project. It keeps them smooth and prevents them from drying out. A great addition to your knitting kit bag. This is great cutting board wax. It permeated the wood and leaves it feeling much more usable than the mineral oil. I'll go with this product, which actually has beeswax, not walrus oil. Number 1. Clark's Bamboo Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your bamboo cutting boards looking and performing their best. It includes mineral oil and beeswax, perfectly paired for optimal results. The mineral oil and beeswax in this kit are designed to work together. Using both will give you the best protection for your bamboo. It penetrates deep into the wood grain, conditioning and protecting your bamboo cutting boards, bowls, and utensils. The beeswax adds an extra layer of protection. After applying the oil, add a layer of wax for superior protection against liquids. This keeps your bamboo kitchenware looking great and lasting longer. Our combo pack saves you money and is made with all natural ingredients. The fresh scent will leave your kitchenware smelling wonderful. We're here to help. Our team is dedicated to providing excellent customer support. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This kit combines mineral oil and beeswax for superior protection. The oil penetrates deeply, while the wax creates a protective barrier. If you want the ultimate protection for your bamboo cutting boards, this kit is your best bet. What people say. Both Clark's oil wax products worked well on a new cutting board. Board soaked in the oil for 2 to 3 hours each side in a storage container. Then remove the board from the container holding the oil, wiped off excess oil, and let the board sit overnight. Then, applied the wax per the instructions, 3x times. Cleans and protects my butcher block countertops. It isn't sticky, absorbs quickly, no strong odor and brightens the wood. I use it usually once a month between daily regular cleaning. Protects against staining. I have used this product on a bamboo island and various cutting boards in my kitchen. Goes on nice, no smell or any residue left behind. I would purchase again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.